Hey guys, Tim here again. All right, somebody gave me a strange and interesting project. So I have a family member and they're a pastry chef at a local restaurant, Italian restaurant. And that he was talking that people had gotten a thing called a bug assault, some kind of plastic rifle that shoots salt to kill the flies. And I asked him, why? Why are you shooting salt all over the kitchen? And he said, for the simple reason that if there's too many flies and we can't get rid of them and they get out into the restaurant, the boss will come in here and spray poison all over the place, and I'm trying to make pastries in here. So I have seen these things, I've heard of them, they've been around a long time, and now you can buy them, I think, fairly cheap. I have never seen one of the current versions, but he said maybe you can make one. So that sounds intriguing. So I'm starting with these two pieces of metal. This is a drop of 4140. It's like maybe a hair over an inch, and that's a piece of mild steel, and I'm gonna make a hole in here to make that go in there to slide down, put O-ring here so that you can pump a lot of air real quick with a spring, and figure out how to assemble that into an effective assault rifle. Assault rifle? Don't say that. It is a bug salt killer. Something. Yeah. You can see how slow this is advancing. That's what happens when you have a long extension on a boring bar and kind of a little bit of hard metal, because that is a welded steel pipe. And yeah, it's a little hard, not real hard, but enough to make it chatter on high speed. So I'm just taking my time, just slowly going through there, taking about 1/10 of a millimeter. Yep, tiny cut, long duration. Trying to keep the chatter out. Give you some idea how slow this thing is cutting. Very nice. All right, another long wait for this to make another pass. It's about 900 millimeters. Hey guys, well, this is what I got to. I decided that if I'm going to make a thing to shoot salt, like a salt, a bunch of table salt as a projectile, like a shotgun, only for a tiny thing to shoot flies with. Anyway, first thing I got to do is have an effective way to very rapidly make a really good burst of air. So I got 3 parts here. So this one is going to be where the controls are, you know. If this is a cylinder, let's see. I don't know if it's close enough yet. There you go. So this is a piston. This is a cylinder. It slides in there. And then this guy goes on here. I've got it so it barely goes on there because that'll be welded. Let me bring it over to the camera. Y'all know I love doing this. Come on now. I better zoom out a bit. There it is. See? So this is where the pressure goes into here. This is where the barrel is going to be attached. And in here I have to put some kind of way to introduce a volume of salt down into that barrel that gets shot out. And then this is the end of the piston. See? And it goes down that guy. It won't come out because it's a little bit small on the end. Come on now. And that's it. So it'll go get out here with a spring load and go. That's what it's going to do.